In this guide, we'll explain why an iPhone becomes disabled and walk you through how to fix a disabled iPhone. Part 1. Why is my iPhone disabled? Before starting an iPhone repair, it's helpful to know common reasons for a disabled device. 1. Multiple incorrect unlock attempts. Wrong passwords trigger iOS security, increasing lockout time. 2. Repeated password attempts after Face ID or Touch ID failure leads to the device being locked. 3. Old devices with forgotten passwords. First unlock attempt on unused devices can trigger disablement. 4. System security mechanism. Apple locks the device to prevent brute force attacks after unusual activity. Part 2. How to fix disabled iPhone with iTunes. For an official solution, iTunes is a common method to restore a disabled iPhone by entering recovery mode and removing the passcode. It reinstalls iOS, removing the lock, but erases all data on the device. Trust must be established between the iPhone and computer beforehand. Step 1. Install and open the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect the disabled iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Put the iPhone into recovery mode. iPhone 8 and later. Quickly press volume up, volume down, hold the power button. iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold both the volume down button and the power button. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier. Press and hold both the home button and the power button. Step 4. iTunes or Finder will detect the device in recovery mode and ask whether to restore or update. Select Restore. Step 5. Wait for the restore process to finish. Once completed, the iPhone will restart and can be set up again from scratch. Part 3. How to fix disabled iPhone without iTunes. This section will introduce 3 solutions that don't require iTunes, each tailored to different user needs. 3.1. Unlock a disabled iPhone using iPhone Unlocker. To unlock a disabled iPhone, use the professional tool iPhone Unlocker. It handles issues like forgotten passcodes, broken screens, and various screen lock types: 4-digit, 6-digit, custom numeric, or alphanumeric. It can quickly remove the lock in just a few minutes. Step 1. Launch iPhone Unlocker. Select the Unlock Screen Passcode mode and click Start to unlock. Then connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode or DFU mode. Once detected, choose a location to save the firmware package and click Download. Step 3. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock. Carefully read the warning message, enter 0000 to confirm, and click Unlock again to proceed. Step 4. In just a few minutes, your iPhone's screen passcode will be completely removed. You can then set up a new passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID as needed. 3.2. Fix a disabled iPhone using iOS System Recovery. No data loss. To avoid data loss, use iOS System Recovery to fix your disabled iPhone. It restores non-functional iPhones without losing data and can resolve various system issues, such as the Apple logo freeze, iPhone is disabled, screen errors, and more. Step 1. Run the software on your computer and link your iPhone to a PC with a USB cable. Find and click More Tools and then the iOS System Recovery option on the interface. Step 2. Then the software will detect and show what problem of your iPhone has, displaying the problems like stuck on Apple logo, iPhone is disabled, error 27, recovery mode, etc. Just hit the Start button to go on. Step 3. Then you are required to check and confirm the iPhone information before repairing. If the information is right, just hit the Repair button to begin repairing. If not, just select the right information manually and then click the Repair button to start the fixing process. 3.3. Fix a disabled iPhone via iCloud. If you enabled Find My iPhone before the device was disabled, using iCloud is another official way to remove the lock screen remotely. Step 1. Go to the official iCloud website and sign in using the Apple ID and password linked to your iPhone. Step 2. Click All Devices at the top of the screen, then select the iPhone you want to erase from the list. Step 3. Choose Erase iPhone to remotely wipe the device, which will remove all data and the screen lock password.